Alright, I'm about done for the day. I need to get two more things. I need a windshield washer reservoir, you know, the little jug you put your washer fluid in. Somehow that got broke. And I want to change the fog lights. My other ones were all cloudy and like messed up looking. I changed the headlights, so we'll get some new fog lights. But I did both the fenders and the bumper. No more crack on this side. It was busted from here all the way down. That's it for today. I'm about to go in here, get on eBay and order the rest of the stuff. Man, it's looking 1,000 times better. Next little project is to get the doors done. I was gonna take the doors off, but I'm thinking about just leaving them on because I'm by myself and I don't have no help, and these doors are heavy. So I'll just take the handles off, take the mirror off, the little emblem off right there. Now I just scuff them up. Same with the other side. Tape off the whole truck except for the doors and spray it. Then after that is going to the shop so I can get the rust in the back fixed. That's it for today. I'm tired. I'm about to get me something to eat. Sit back and watch some TV. I didn't put the wheel cover back on yet because I got to put that washer bottle in right there. I should be done with it sometime this week. But it's looking good. And I did all the work right here in this dusty old garage. I'm going to get it together. But that's where the magic happens. All right, y'all be cool.